Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Samsung Galaxy A54 and let me share with you how to soft reset or force restart this device. So the force restart or soft reset operation will be useful if for some reason your device does not respond to your touches, it has got some problems like freezing apps and so on. So I hope that the soft reset will help. Your device will be turned off manually kind of, and after that it should be turned on again. So in order to perform the soft reset or, as I said, force restart, we have to press both of those buttons. Yeah, the power button and the volume down button together and wait and ignore everything. So you have to ignore for example, the screenshot or any other options. So let me press both of those buttons and wait. As you can see, we've got this we've got those buttons, so we could tap on the restart, but let's pretend that we cannot do it because our device just do not respond. As you can see, the screen just got black, and immediately after we've got the developer's logo, and after a while your device will be simply restarted, and I hope that it will work perfectly fine again. So basically that's all. This is how to soft reset or force restart your Samsung Galaxy A54. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.